All right, so I skipped number 8 because it's just like number 7, different numbers. But number 9 has a totally different look to it, and it's something that it's kind of confusing because we rarely see this in our earlier math classes, this little sigma that we have on this particular problem. All right, so we have the sigma, that is a sum symbol in math. For summation, when you see it here, this is sigma notation. It means that I want to find the sum of a series described by this formula. Okay, this is the explicit formula. It tells me how to find any term. And I want to find the sum of a series from the first term all the way to the 14th term. Okay. And somebody in class yesterday did a great job and pointed out that this is just information. It's describing the series to you in a very, in kind of the simplest way. This is the explicit formula. It tells you that there's a common difference of 6, okay, because it comes in front of the n, and it's kind of telling you that the 0th term would be negative 11. So what would, if the 0th term was negative 11, what is the actual first term? We're going to add 6 to that, and so it would be negative 5, add 6, 1, plus 6, 7, plus 6, 13, and it keeps going. And so for the series, when it asks us about a series, and we see that little summation symbol, or the sigma, we are adding up terms, and this number up top tells us how many terms we want to add. We want to add all the way up to the 14th term. Okay. So all of this aside, I'm going to just look at this, and let's do it in what would be basically the fastest way we could. All right, we're still going to use our summation formula. Okay. And for this one, the n's are all going to be 14s. All right, so we need to find out what is the first term, what is the 14th term. And to do that, we can use this explicit formula. 6n minus 11 is any term. So the first term, I'm just going to plug in a 1 there. 6 times 1 minus 11. It's negative 5. Just what I got right there. And for the 11th term, no, 14th term. For the 14th term, I'll do 6 times 14 minus 11, and so that would be 84 minus 11, 73, okay. And I plug those things in. 14th term is 7 times negative 5 plus 73, 7 times negative 5 plus 73. And I get 476. And I wanted to show you that if I did it like this, without the parentheses, because of the order of operations, it's going to multiply these and then add 73. But here, it's going to do the addition first, then multiply by 7, and that's what we want, 476. Okay. And we have evaluated that series for the first 14 terms. Its value is 476.